wacho ni ya jadalawa. Okadago guoma ng'any kan baba nika. Tadwa nyiso was a community. There comes a time that a community must decide to stay together. There comes a time that a community must decide to design itself and to stick together no matter your situation. Waneno achaye moro Nyanza ka. To yawuot baba osewuok. Waneno achaye Nyanza ka endi ji wacho wach mar democracy. An baba Raila Amolo Odinga opuonja democracy nyaka Amerika. Kadhi Amerika ki wacho democracy, there is something we call blue state. Blue state in America are regions that belong to Democrats. To nitie gima iluongo ni red states in America. In America, red states naturally since 200 years ago belong to Republicans. And then there's something we call swing states. There is no day people will go to blue states and joke with Democrats. I'm telling you today, we have decided Kenya is a democracy. And as a democracy, even in our constitution, it is clearly stated that Kenya is a multi-party democracy. And in this multi-party, in this country, there are regions that are UDA. And there are regions that are ODM. Nyanza is an ODM zone. And I'm telling you today, we the children of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, Baba in koro yue. Ise gorine piny morom. Yue. In Nyanza, we will not allow anybody who tries to bring something that is not ODM. And I want to send a message. I want to send a message. Hello? My Matiekogo. I want to send a message to people who are misusing state power. Because yesterday and the other day,